I don't know if it was the feeling of the steering wheel that morning, but that drive, special. I had to go somewhere and take care of business. Put it on my mask. Here we go. Oh wait, what? What? White shoes? Hold on a minute. What? No, I don't. Ah, cock. Come on, where are they? Black shoes. What? Come on, in here. There we go. Black fucking shoes.
Alright, it's done. Better call Mum. Fucking Mum.
Wow, this sure is going pretty slow. For all those sound effects. Really slow. I sure could use a nice cup of coffee. Almond blend. With some of that vanilla milk. That shit's real nice.